County power rankings continue to deepen as more military officers were deployed to beef up the Major Hussein Badi-led Nairobi Metropolitan Services, a move which Senate Majority Leader Kipchumba Murkomen has termed as unconstitutional.
Senator Sakaja knows that his county has been militarized. It's no longer a civilian government. Nairobi, Mr. Speaker, is a military county. Something that I would never have imagined when we passed the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It's a shock that, Mr. Speaker, active military men who are supposed to operate in barracks and borders of Kenya are running civilian governments, Mr. Speaker.
After heated debate on Tuesday in the Senate over the perceived militarization of Nairobi County, I sought to understand whether the deployment of more military officers in the county was legal. In an interview with Makueni Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr., he says it's an illegality for the military to run a civilian government.
The attempt to have active military officers doing civilian duties is unknown in the Constitution, is unconstitutional. It's even worse because those functions can actually be performed by the private sector. If the government wanted to outsource people, it would pick from the private sector. So the people who are in the private sector are of course being discriminated by government. But what is worse is that we must insist that when the governor of Nairobi transferred the functions of Nairobi to national government, he did not grant them a blank check.
Mutula further says Governor Sonko, in his naivety, didn't understand the transfer of deed and most saw the intentions in the whole agreement. Sonko has since said he will terminate the transfer of functions deed.
Where he says he didn't understand, it's not that he didn't understand the text. He didn't understand the intention. The intention was not just to transfer 4 functions. The intention was to transfer 4, cripple the rest, and cripple anything else that has been left behind. That, I think, is where he's coming from.
Mutula says all is not lost for Nairobians and an amicable solution can be found through an agreement between NMS, Nairobi County Assembly, and President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Forward other than the President, NMS, the County Assembly, and County Government sitting down to agree. We have transferred 4 functions, and these 4 functions will be funded under the transfer of deed through 2 methods: the County Revenue Fund and the national government. How much is the national government putting in, and how much is the County Assembly putting in?
Nairobi County Assembly Majority Leader Charles Thuo also disputes the militarization narrative, terming it political.
He needs to ensure service delivery, and they agreed with the governor there was transfer of functions, which was given to NMS. NMS is a new body. It was not there before. So I think they're just pulling resources from all over because most of the staff in NMS have come from the county governments, others have come from the national government. The military people here are not even 1% of the staff. It's just people who are trying to politicize this and fight the deed.
Elizabeth Mutiko, TV47 Nairobi.